right, guys, this week we have an incredible feature for you. This is a mid-engine car, but not one that you'd really expect. At Quarantine Cruise number 7, we got a chance to talk to Christa about this 1965 Corvair Corsa. All right, guys, I stopped over here at this beautiful Corvair. Christa's gonna tell me a little bit about it. I know nothing about these cars. Will you tell me and our RestoMods audience a little bit about this thing?
Sure, this is a 1965 Corvair Corsa, rear motor. This is the trunk in the front,
okay.
Motor in the back. It's got a 140 with 4 carbs. It's actually a no Nader car. You know Ralph Nader?
Really?
He deemed this the most dangerous car in the world.
Really? Okay.
Yep.
Awesome.
So that's why they stopped making them.
Okay.
My boyfriend's owned it. This is his first car when he was 16.
Wow.
His family was Corvair people all the way. So they took basically all the parts from another car.
Okay.
And rebuilt this one. He's got his black wrap. All of the black on it is wrap.
Yep.
Got that a couple years ago.
It's got a roll cage. Does it hit the track at all?
It has not.
Has not, okay.
Nope.
Just straight up safety. Ralph Nader said it was unsafe car, so we threw a roll cage in there.
No, we threw that in for the look.
Okay, okay.
Just
It
for
looks
look.
incredible. I really.
We don't believe anything Nader says.
Cool, there we go. I love it, I love it. This is a very good looking car. Thank you so much for taking a second to talk with us today.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it. Guys, hope you enjoyed that walk around of that beautiful Corvair. I was told that the owner of that car took an incredible amount of time to work on it, was very self-conscious about the car, and actually took it to a couple shows and started winning awards. It's a beautiful car. Hope that he knows that. Beautiful Corvair. Guys, get your chance to win a custom of your own. Head to RestoMods.com. Join the RestoMods Car Club today. You're gonna get 10 entries every single month to win our active sweepstakes or $50,000 in cash. You can also pick up any of our gear at RestoMods.com and get 1 entry for every $1 that you spend. Check out our other videos on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe, click the bell so you get all the notifications every time we make an awesome video. Like them, comment on them so we know that we're doing something right and we can make more awesome features for you guys. Head to Facebook and Instagram, shoot us a follow at Resto_mods on Instagram, RestoMods on Facebook, and you guys can get your chance to win a custom classic of your own or $50,000 bucks.